Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael Adigoke. I'm a WordPress calculator and contact forms expert. So I build WordPress calculators and forms, and I've done this for about 5 years now. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this price by length calculator for WooCommerce. So if you've been to a site where they allow you to select the measurement of the product you want to buy, just like this, and you want to have something like that for your own site. Today I'm going to show you how you can do that. You can see how it works right here. You can select any measurement unit that you want and set the amount here, and the price changes as you select the amount that you want. So I'm going to be using this plugin called Calculated Feeds Form. To have access to the add-on that makes this possible, you need to have the developer version of this, which costs 99.99 euro, and that is for a lifetime. So you buy it once and for all, and you get the update for the plugin forever. Okay, so let's get to it. This is the form. If you download the plugin and install it, do not put the link to, you'll find the link to the plugin in the description of this video, and please use that link because I'm going to get a commission. Yeah, so thank you for using it. If you do, I'm not just recommending this plugin because I want to make money off the commission, but because I use it, I've built entire websites around this plugin that I have flipped, and currently I have another one which is no code calculators, which I built off this plugin entirely. Okay, so coming back to this is the back end of the site, what I used to build this plugin. I have a text at the top, which is a field called instructional text under calculated fields form settings somewhere here. So I inserted this. This is the same kind of field right here. And this is a drop down that allows the users to select what units they want to enter in their details with. So you can add new units by clicking on this plus sign, and then you type whatever you want. So this is a value for multiplication, and you're going to see what that does in a short while. So let me remove this. Okay, this is a currency field that allows the users to enter in the amount that they want. This field right here, you can see the text says enter length in a span class value A, then close span. So that is something simple. What this span does is to pull the units that you've entered in at this drop down, to pull it as a text here. So if I change to miles, it will say enter length in miles. So it's kind of dynamic. By the way, if you want these templates, I can send it to you for totally free. Of course, you need to have the developer version of this for it to work. If you don't have that, it's not going to work. So, but you can ask in the comments and I'll send the file to you, so you don't need to go through this stress. Now, this is a hidden field, and the default value is 30 because this product is selling for $30 per meter. So meter is the default unit, that is the main unit. Every other unit is going to be converted to meter, and after the conversion, we'll multiply what it falls into, multiply it by 30 to arrive at the total price. So that is the logic I used. Now for the conversion, This is where it is done. Okay, feed name 4 is the drop down. So this is the usefulness of the numbers that you saw here. Meter is 1 by value. So there's a formula here that says if feed name 4 equals to 1, which is meter, if what is selected in this drop down is meter, because the value of meter is 1, return feed name 5. Feed name 5 is this currency. So whatever text that is entered here is going to be returned, and return means like final result. So if the meter is selected, then there's no need to do any conversion. That is why meter will be feed name 5 will be returned as it is. I hope you understand that. Okay. Then if feed name 4 equals 2, that means if it is not 1, 2 is centimeters. Okay. And the value of centimeters is 5. So if it is no, 2 is nanometers. Okay. So if it is nanometers, return feed name 5. Whatever is entered in this field, multiply it by 0.00000000001. Yeah, because that is the conversion. I think maybe 1 million nanometers make 1 meter or something like that. But I did the calculation, and that is how I came about that. Okay. So the conversion goes on and on for each of the units. You can see it gets to 12 because there are 12 units right here. Yeah. So 12 is nautical miles. So once the conversion is done here, like this is the preliminary entry results. So from here, the final amount in length is determined. You know, if it is in meter, you just pull whatever is here and leave it as it is. That's feed name 5. But if it is not in meter, it converts it to the equivalence in meter. Then the total becomes feed name 9, which is this hidden field, and that's 30 times 10, whatever the converted stuff is, and in 2 decimal places. That is what this does. Break open bracket feed name 9 times, like that's asterisk, feed name 10, then comma in 2 decimal places. So if it is break and 3, that will be 3 decimal places. Okay. What this does is to determine what has been entered here, which is feed name 4, and then return the text, the equivalent text, to be written here. So that is the work of this. And the jQuery, this is the one that actually pulls the text from here, from this feed name 7, and then returns it as value A. Yes, so that value A is what is written right here to pull the text from whatever is selected here, send it to feed name 7 here, and from feed name 7 this jQuery pushes it into here as value A. So we are done with this part of it. Now we need to go to the product. This is the product, and go to edit products, which is in Woocommerce. Okay, and you will see this field. Once you have the plugin calculated fields from plugin activated, you see a calculated fields from section under each of your products, and you come over to enter the ID of the forms. So the form that you have done that calculation is price by length in meters, which is 37. You can see the ID is 37, price by length meters. So you just select it here. There are many other ones, but you just select that and click on this button that says calculate the product price through the form. And once you're done with that, you just click on publish, that's if you have not, or update, and you're done. You see the button right here. I mean, this field is exactly what you have here. So if I want to change the layout of this, maybe I want this two to be in a column. All I need to do is create a div field, pull this one into it, pull this as well into it, then click on this and select two columns, then save changes. Okay, once I save the changes, I come back here and refresh my page. See, this is how it looks like now. So whatever edit I make here gets reflected here. If I want to change the units per meter from 30 to something else, I just need to edit this text, I mean the value here, and save changes. You see it reflecting in the calculation instantly. So let me save it. Let me save it as 35. Come over to refresh. You can see this is 30. Just for reference, I refresh and select one. It's done. You can select the quantity here. So the final price would be is in my cart now. You can see the final price is 70 because I selected 2. Yeah, so that is how it works. And as I'm changing the quantity, even here the price is getting updated. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Please, if you like this kind of information, subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. I don't have any subscriber at this point in time, so it might just be my first subscriber. If you do that, I'll be very happy and it will mean the world to me. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about anything I've said, please ask in the comments. And if you need my help with building some forms or some calculators, please send me a mail. My email is michael@calculatordiary.com. You'll see it in the description. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.